What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Guys, today I don't know why I've been taking so long to do this video, but I'm finally ready to do it. Really. Alright, so today, as y'all can see in the title, I'm filling y'all in on places to go in Jamaica, but also I'm reviewing all of these places because I've already been there. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Guys, before we get into the video, I don't know why I keep forgetting this, but please to go over to my business page at boss_bags by Meek. Go and follow up the page, guys. Go and support the page. Yeah, go follow me on my personal page as well at Yanieki_. You can follow me on all socials at Yanieki as well. So yeah, let's get into this video. First place that I'll be rating is Holiday Inn Montego Bay. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend, and I'd recommend it to anybody who asks me about it. The food was amazing there, to be honest. Love the jerk sauce, spicy and nice. Love the burger and all of that. Yeah, enjoyed it. The entertainment was amazing as well, and the room was actually nice as well. Sorry, I actually spent one night, and I'm definitely planning to go back there because why not? Next place on my list is Grand Bayan Principe. Okay, so I'm giving it a 8 out of 10 because, to be honest, it lost 2 points. I probably can give it a 7 because the entertainment there was slacking. Like, Grand Bay is a big hotel. If you have ever been there, you'd know that it's a very big place. To me, I think it's like for it's a retirement hotel where you just go, or just a relaxation hotel where you just plan on going to sleep there. I don't know, but it never did give me that for the entertainment. And I think entertainment is a really major part in the industry because, like, we're from Jamaica, let's be real. We like entertainment, we love entertainment, we love the vibe, we love the energy, and I wasn't getting that. The food there was amazing. I'm not going to tell any lie. I'm giving you based off of my experience, and when I went there, I only spent a day there, and I loved the food. I loved it. So yeah, definitely giving it a 8 out of 10 or a 7 out of 10 because just based on my experience. Next place on my list is Piper's Cove Resort. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Yeah. Why is because I don't know, I met the person who owned the place, and he was why would I say that? What a word. He was so hospitable. And that's what I say. I don't know, but his personality was very nice. He was, customer service was really nice where he was concerned. We went there late and he was willing, sorry about that, he was actually willing to give us another hour there, and he was willing to call places that we could go to because we were trying to find like recreational areas where we could go, like attractions, and he did that, and that was really amazing. It's a little resort. I think we got the studio when we went. I'd say it's on the more affordable side because it's in Runaway Bay. So yeah, definitely would recommend. It's facing the sea. I've never done a vlog there because I wasn't a YouTuber at the time, but like hopefully I get a chance to go back so I can vlog it for you guys, so you guys can know what is this Piper's Cove place that I'm talking about. Next place on my list is Rio Montego Bay. I don't know why I said 9 out of 10, right? I remember 9 out of 10 for Rio because where our rooms were, the staircase made us so tired. Like, I just feel like I did one time, is either way I go up the stair or I come downstairs and just stay for the entire time because the stair was mad tiring. But otherwise the food ranking levels was off the charts when I went, and before I went there I was worrying about the food, because I watch videos before I go to anywhere to know what I'm supposed to expect, and the food was rated very bad, but in my experience 10 out of 10. The food did nice, breakfast, lunch, dinner, all of them did nice for me. So yeah, 9 out of 10. Next place on my list is Jewel's Duns River. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Again, I didn't get to vlog that place, but hopefully in this video I can actually put in clips. Hopefully. I kind of doubt that, because I don't know which path to find them, are images of when I went to the place. I can try to find, like, put them into the video. But yeah, Jewel's Duns River, definitely 10 out of 10. I'm not sure, the last time I heard about them was that I think Sandals was going to take over, and I've been trying to call back their contact and haven't been getting them, but 10 out of 10. I love the food, I love the service, the spa was amazing. I went there on a day pass and it was like $75 US, including the Swedish spa day, and it was amazing. And also the entertainment for Jewels was as we reach at the place, so you know, I was in a competition and I won a little turtle. Wait, let me go for the turtle. So yeah, if I don't find any picture, I actually have this souvenir that I took as a prize because I won. And yeah, his name is Jason. Say hi, Jason. So yeah, I got that from Jewels. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next place on my list is Turtle River and Falls in Ocho Rios. 10 out of 10. I've been there 3 times. 3 times, people. I'm not lying about these places. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend to a friend. It has 14 falls, I think, and a pool with a lovely garden, and you can also visit the animals as well. So yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next one is Mystic Mountain. 10 out of 10. Like, I really want to go back to Mystic Mountain, because like, I'm not going to the cave, I want to go into the cave, I want to do some other stuff, and I definitely be vlogging when I go back there. So yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next one is Waterland. 7 out of 10. I went here and I think it was a summer school trip, and if I took my memories back, that was when Waterland just opened. So I'm gonna just give it a 7 out of 10 because I wanted it to have more stuff, or my expectations for it wasn't as high as how I want. Well, the expectation of what I had against what the place was giving never did all that. But I'm not sure if they have upgraded, but yeah, y'all can go there. Hopefully I get a chance to go back there soon or so, but yeah. Next place on my list is Summerset Falls. This is in Portland. I think Waterland is in St. Mary. St. Mary or Ochi? I'm not sure. A long time ago there. Please bear with me. Next place is Summerset Falls. 9 out of 10. This is in Portland, guys, and Portland is beautiful. This place has a cave, the little fresh water where you go from boat and go right into the cave, and they also have a pool. They have seated areas, I think, where you could eat. Again, this was a summer school trip, and this was from 2014, and it's amazing. The place was very great when I went. Jump out of the boat and all of that, but that's a story time for itself. We're not going at that, but yeah, highly recommend Summerset Falls. But before you go to this place, I think you have to call them, because I think in 2019 they had a dry, I don't know, something did happen, but call before you go to these places. Next place on my list is Frenchman Cove Resort. This is also in Portland. I've been here 3 times. 2 times was amazing. The 3rd time was not for me, mainly because I think they dumped the river. This place is very beautiful. The sea and the fresh water meets, which it's still nice, but it wasn't giving what it was giving when I went there twice before. So yeah, but it's definitely a place that you should put on your bucket list, because everywhere in Portland is worth going. Next one is Dunn's River Falls. I went here during the COVID season, and honestly guys, COVID's still there, but I mean, they were one of the cleanest, still one of the cleanest that I've been to, where protocols were put into place, and yeah, worth going. It also has a river with, you know, the falls where you climb, and a beach as well. So yeah, definitely worth going. I would give it a, I'm gonna give Dunn's River Falls 10 out of 10, and it's affordable to go to, so why not. Next one is Hidden Beauty. So guys, quick story time on how I went to Hidden Beauty. I actually wanted to go to Thatch Hill River. Thatch Hill is like right here, so, and then Hidden Beauty was up more, but I didn't even know that there was another part to the river. I needed a reservation to go, so I couldn't get to go in. Scrap that. I couldn't get to go in, and I had to go to Hidden Beauty because that was the next best thing. And honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend Hidden Beauty. I like drink river water to out the river. Nice. They also do camping there as well, and I really think that's amazing because you have the nice river and you have like the whole open lot where you can camp and all of that. So worth the going. Definitely 10 out of 10 for Hidden Beauty. Next place on my list is Puerto Seco Beach. 10 out of 10. Like, I think Puerto Seco is on the affordable side, so I wasn't expecting it to be as affordable as it was in my experience, or in my way of saying affordable, because I thought it would be, you know, because of US, they charge US. So I was thinking that it would be like, you know, about like $1 at the time when I went. $1 was $100, so it wasn't as bad as when the other places would charge like $100 and odd dollars for, like, you know, y'all get what I'm saying. But like, yeah, definitely recommend Puerto Seco Beach in Runaway Bay. Next place on my list is Reach Falls. I'd give Reach Falls, how much would I give Reach Falls? I must say an 8 out of 10. An 8 out of 10 for Reach Falls. It's also in Portland, where it have a falls, have a little cave, little area, and you can go on top of it as well. You can jump, all of them, somebody, yeah. Margaritaville Ochi is another place on my list. I'd give it a 9 out of 10 because Margarita is a place like this. You don't pay to go in. All you need to do is purchase from them. Either you want to have a drink or have a meal, and you can get access to their pool and to their beach. I really enjoyed my time there, so definitely would recommend it to you guys. Next place on my list is Kanoko Falls. Honestly, 5 out of 10. Why? Because to me the water did dirty, and then you don't want to see how much struggle for go back up the step. Like, it was so hard to go down, like the step them far, and then when we go back up, it was like a summer of a Waterland. I'm just a complain because I say, when am I gonna get myself in, and why am I come right here? So like, guys, I'm tired, I'm sweaty. Imagine a long day of being in water. You come back up all of them steps there and tired, sweaty, feel like you never going on the water. I don't think I recommend Kanoko Falls, but like, you guys can definitely go and try it out if you like. But in my experience, I didn't have a good experience there, so yeah. Also, I probably would say, alright, probably 6.5, because they actually had animals above, like zoo, a little zoo area that was really worth going. And I actually placed a snake around my neck, so I'd actually top it up to like the first part of it was okay, and then afterwards it went downhill for me because I just really expected more from the place, you know. The photos on the internet literally looked so beautiful. When we went there, it was just a different view. It wasn't bad, but you know, it wasn't giving what we thought it would give. Next place on my list is Selshar Beach. Yeah, I have to put in good Selshar in it. Right now, after the erosion at Selshar, there's not much places where you can enter the water from, but you know, before all of the erosion and all of that, Selshar is a beautiful beach, to be honest. Always vibesy, and they sell nice food, good food. You guys can still go there to swim and what else, and purchase food. So I'm never rate Selshar. Selshar definitely, what I say, 8.5 out of 10. Cause right now Selshar don't really remind me of when I did little and I got Selshar and did I enjoy the beach as much as how I love going to the beach. Next place on my list is Little Duns River. This is a free beach with a little river, falls, all of that there. I definitely give Little Duns River a 9 out of 10 because I don't like the parking situation. Yeah, because you have to park on top of the road and then go down to the river, but that's fine, that's definitely fine. Next one on my list is Hope Garden and Zoo. I'd give them an 8 out of 10. No bad comments on it. It's a zoo with a lot of play areas for the kids. It's a family oriented place. I definitely recommend it for anyone that's either in Jamaica or traveling to Jamaica. Next one on my list is Devon Hauls. So guys, for the best ice cream in Jamaica, I'm not even be dramatic about it. It's definitely at Devon Hauls. Devon Hauls is a place, it has ice cream, pastries, pizza, yeah, patty and pastry too. Yeah, it sells a variety of stuff, and the only thing that I miss about Devon Hauls is that you used to can like study recreational use or everything on the big lawn, but they them block it off from years now, so you can't use it, but you still get a little part where the ice cream sell to like chill or go there with your family to just have a picnic or vibe. Yeah. Next one, last but not least on my list, I have Castletown River. Boy, I don't know how to explain this, but Castletown River, I definitely give it an 8 out of 10. I really want to go back there. It's a very beautiful river. I've been there only once and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, guys, we are now at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do remember to go over to my business page at boss_bags by Meats, and also my personal page at Yanieki_ on Instagram. And then for any other socials, it's Yanieki. As long as you type it in and see my lovely face, then yeah, me that. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, bye.